let's set some things on fire. So today we're going to be looking at one of the tests that we do, which is BSEN 50200. It's a fire performance test. We're going to actually go through, set up this board, put it onto the fire rig, set it going, and explain the differences as we go. Let's get inside and set this up. So this standard gives us all the information to do the BSEN 5200 fire test. The main page we're going to focus on is this one, and this is how to actually prepare the sample, and we need to do that on a non-combustible board. So we're going to get the board drilled and the sample mounted. So now we've got this board prepped, we've got all the dimensions, we've got the bend radius which links to the cable. We need to mount this cable to the board using some fire clips, and then we can assemble it onto the fire rig. So you may notice we're using bare clips, so copper clips. Normally you'd see these coloured red, and the reason for this is part of the test is checking whether the cores actually short out to those metal clips. So we put the right clip onto there, we put our fixing bolt through, and then on the back we're just applying the nut and a washer, and that'll come evident in a minute when we connect it up at the back, because it all needs to be earthed. So we've got to get all this cable now clipped up, so if you come back in a moment we'll have a Blue Peter moment. So this is the cable now fixed to the rig, and we've got that same shape that was in the British standard. The last thing for us to do before we mount this is we need to earth all of these clips together. So we're going to get a piece of wire, and we're just going to go around and slowly earth all these together. And the reason for that is it will be a failure if the cable short circuits to one of those metal clips. So we need to connect this up, and then the end of this wire will go to the earth on our circuit when we're testing.